Everyone in the neighborhood knew the boy who delivered newspapers before sunrise. Every morning, when the sky was still dark and the streets were silent, a thin boy wearing an old winter jacket could be seen walking through the cold streets. That boy's name was Daniel Carter. Many people believed that Daniel would live an ordinary life, struggling just like his parents. No one imagined that one day he would become one of the most successful business leaders in Canada. But Daniel had something special inside him, a belief that his life could be different. Daniel was born in a small town in Canada. His family was very poor. His father worked long hours in a factory, and his mother cleaned houses for other families. Even though both of them worked very hard, money was never enough. There were days when his parents worried about paying the electricity bill. Sometimes they had to delay buying new clothes or other basic things. Daniel often saw the tired faces of his parents when they returned home after a long day of work. Watching his parents struggle made Daniel think deeply about life. One evening, when Daniel was 12 years old, he asked his father a simple question. "Dad, will our life always be this difficult?" His father looked at him quietly for a moment and then said, "Life can be difficult, son, but if you work hard and never give up, things can change." Those words stayed in Daniel's mind forever. From that day, Daniel decided that he would do everything possible to change his future. At the age of 12, Daniel started delivering newspapers early in the morning. The winters in Canada were very harsh. Snow covered the streets, and the cold wind sometimes made it difficult to even walk outside. But every morning, Daniel woke up at 4:30 a.m. While most people were still sleeping in their warm beds, Daniel walked through the freezing streets carrying a heavy bag of newspapers. His fingers often became numb from the cold, but he continued working. Sometimes neighbors looked at him with sympathy. One old man who often saw Daniel delivering newspapers asked him one day, "Why do you work so hard at such a young age?" Daniel smiled and answered, "Because one day I want to build a better life." The old man nodded and said something Daniel would never forget. "Remember this, young man. Success belongs to those who refuse to give up." Years passed, and Daniel continued working hard. At school, he was not the most talented student, but he was very determined. After school, he worked part-time jobs to support himself and help his family. He worked in grocery stores. He worked in restaurants. He even cleaned offices during the night. Each job taught him something valuable about people, work, and business. While working in a small grocery store, Daniel noticed something interesting. Many customers often asked for quick and healthy meals, but the store mostly sold packaged food. Daniel started thinking about a simple idea. What if I create a place where people can get fresh, healthy food at affordable prices? The idea stayed in his mind for years. However, starting a business required money, and Daniel had very little savings. But Daniel did not give up. For several years, he worked 2 jobs every day. He saved every dollar carefully. While his friends spent money on entertainment, Daniel focused on saving money for his dream. Finally, after years of hard work and discipline, Daniel had saved enough money to open a very small food shop. It was not a fancy restaurant. It was just a small shop with a few tables and a simple kitchen. Daniel did everything himself. He cooked the food. He cleaned the tables. He served customers. And at the end of the day, he washed the dishes. The first few months were very difficult. Some days, only 2 or 3 customers came to his shop. Many people doubted his idea. Some even told him, "You should close this place before you lose all your money." Those words hurt Daniel, but they did not break his determination. Whenever he felt discouraged, He remembered the cold winter mornings when he delivered newspapers as a young boy. He reminded himself of the promise he had made. Never give up. So Daniel kept improving his business. He experimented with new recipes. He spoke kindly to every customer. He focused on providing good food at reasonable prices. Slowly, people started noticing the small restaurant. Customers liked the healthy meals and friendly service. They began telling their friends and families about Daniel's shop. Gradually, the number of customers increased. After a few years, Daniel opened his second restaurant. Then he opened a third one, and soon his restaurants became popular in different cities across Canada. Daniel's small business slowly turned into a successful restaurant chain. The boy who once walked through the snow delivering newspapers had now become a respected entrepreneur. Business magazines began writing about his success. Television channels invited him for interviews. But Daniel never forgot where he came from. During one interview, a journalist asked him, "Daniel, what is the secret behind your incredible success?" Daniel smiled and replied, "The secret is simple. I never allowed failure to stop me." He continued, "I faced many difficulties. I made mistakes. There were times when I wanted to quit, but I always reminded myself of one thing: never give up." Today, Daniel Carter is considered one of the most successful business tycoons in Canada. He owns businesses in several cities and employs hundreds of people. But success did not make him forget his past. Daniel now supports many programs that help poor students get better education. He also helps young entrepreneurs start their own businesses. Whenever he meets young people who feel discouraged, he tells them the same message: your starting point does not decide your future. What matters is your determination to keep going when life becomes difficult. Because sometimes the boy who walks through the snow delivering newspapers can become the man who builds a powerful business empire. All it takes is courage, patience, and one powerful decision: to never give up. If you enjoy learning English through emotional stories like this, subscribe to English Stories and keep improving your English with inspiring stories from around the world.